How to fix can't set Firefox as the default browser in Windows 10. Here's some tips that may help fix can't set Firefox as the default browser in Windows 10. 1. Open Firefox menu options general. Set your Mozilla Firefox app as the default browser. Two. Open Settings Apps Default Apps. Or, open Control Panel All Control Panel Items Default Programs. For advanced users, run the following command: c:\\windows\explorer.exe shell :17 cd94881224b2f88ce4298938909666 Microsoft.default programs \page default program to open Windows 10 settings. 3. Remove existing Firefox via the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. Reboot your PC when the uninstallation is completed, and reinstall the latest version of Mozilla Firefox. Note, you back up your Firefox profile first. 4. Consider removing any other potentially conflicting web browser, in your system, via the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 5. Open some link, choose Firefox instead when you see the following Choose Default Apps screen. Last but not least, Microsoft Outlook has a View in Browser feature that will open a browser window to display the content of an HTML email message. Outlook converts the message content to MHT format and then opens the program associated with that file type, normally Internet Explorer. Follow http://bit.ly/2jlzyhn to change the default browser used by Outlook 2016.